Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We are back with another Amazon unboxing video. You guys can check them out. My affiliate link will be down below. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. And check these guys out. We got Prime Big Day deals going on now. And this is one of them. Ooh. This is coming from LAMATTO. It's a wireless CarPlay adapter, streaming Netflix, everything on your CarPlay. Ooh. Okay. It supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto Wireless connectivity. It supports YouTube, Netflix, Disney, TikTok streaming, and more. It supports AirPlay and Android Cast. Ooh, okay. So it does everything you need to do. There we go. Let's take a look. We'll set it up. RC23 wireless car adapter. Get some goodies in the box. Okay. Oops. Put you right there, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Alright. Switch modes: LED color, green light, factory CarPlay mode, blue light, factory Android mode. Keep power on, use pin, hold down 3 seconds. So it tells you how to do it. We got the USB and another USB, and we got this thing. Whoa, check it out. LAMATTO HDMI. Remove that. There we go. Is that the only... Oh, let's say, where's the manual? There we go. Portable car box, video box. It's definitely portable, definitely tiny. Take this anywhere with you on the road. If you get a rental, you could swap it out. Plug the car box into your car port using the power we've provided. See, there's a little thing. USB offline. Okay. So, next up, we'll test it out. We'll be back. Alright guys, we are in the car. All we gotta do is plug it in right here. That's the USB HC. Plug it right there. It's gonna turn this on. Bada boom, bada bing, we are here. Now you're gonna see this display. It shows I'm connected to everything, and now it's gonna light up a couple different LED modes. So that means it's working. Right now it's switched to iPhone mode, and you click the other button to Android. So we are hooked up to the iPhone backup phone I have. We are connected. You got Netflix, YouTube. You can mirror your phone, music, pretty much everything you need. It's all portable. The best one on the market right now is this one. So definitely check them out. Wi-Fi, we are connected. So depending on your service with your Wi-Fi, It might get some lag, but you might not. It all depends on your connection. But definitely it's not the CarPlay. This thing is a beast, guys. You're going to be very happy once you get it. I've been playing with it for a few hours now. It is awesome. On your lunch breaks, you can watch movies, stuff like that. Go on TikTok or Instagram and watch Disney, TikTok Live. You can change pretty much everything to display. And you can always upload stuff too. Bluetooth music. It'll play your music. That's why I have it edited out, because of the music copyright. Here's all your goodies. Right there. And here's all your others. Apps. Hopefully more to come. But you can always upload with your thumb drive. See right there. Now I'm going to show you the music that's already uploaded. Like I said, you can play your videos, stuff like that. Private video. I haven't signed in yet to my accounts, but we'll do that some other time. And Disney. But maybe ESPN would be great if they could add it soon. Okay, so we got the Disney right there. And then here's the others. Very fast switching. Like I tell you, this thing is easy to use. Anyone can set up. There's a screen mirroring. Now thumb drive. We got videos you can show. And stuff like that. So tons of videos that I've uploaded to thumb. Especially that guy. And then you can do the music. So whatever your choice of music is, you can always click on it. One more thing, HDMI mode. Check them out. There you go. We got it hooked up to the TV. And we're going to plug it in, turn it on. And bada boom, bada bing. It works. Check them out. Link in bio. Have a good night.